Pili Capital College Incorporated, San Isidro, Pili, Camarines Sur. Principal, Ruth P. Meriton. Entering number 45 is Pili Capital College Incorporated, San Isidro, Pili, Camarines Sur. For Commander Edna, Cadet Lieutenant Richard Figueroa. For Commander, Cadet Major Pio Ipaga, S1. Cadet Major Jasper Yen Cook, S2. Cadet Major John Michael Padercayo, S3. Cadet Major Almirante, S4. Cadet Major Rodan Palapa, S7. Major Major Hilary Slade Maputo, S0. Nicole Jimenez. Our Commander, Cadet Major Leo Villa del Castillo, Company Exo, Cadet Captain Oliver Olma, First Platoon Leader, Cadet Major Jose Milano, the Second Platoon Leader, Cadet Major Dominic